Hi, it's me, JJJJ Charliiey, and here I am with maximum vloggage. Release. So I thought it was high time, to reignite, my vlogging channel. Of course, 2014 was a crazy year, but I thought, let's make 2015 our year, together. Gotta say farewell to the last channel, So, before we go any further, here's a montage of my favourite clips from 2014. Ashton Kutcher.
Why are you making me shave? Why are you making me shave? When I was good day. Oh, I'm so old and angry at things. And so I was like, I don't care if it's your party or not. If you act like this, you're still gonna get punched in the face. Why are you making me shave? Why are you making me shave? Why are you making me shave? One of the more eventful bar mitzvahs. Because in my day we didn't have iPads and curtains and females or anything that these young boys have nowadays. And it makes me so old and angry.
Fucking hilarious, right? I thought it's probably time to make my channel a bit more, educational, or maybe inspirational. How about edurational? That's a good idea, JJJJ. Thanks. So, today, something that made me think, So I was going outside, walking, to like the shops and stuff. What happened, JJJJ? Started to rain. Rain. Sad face. But this made me think. Rain? Why? Now get ready for some knowledge fucking. So, until 20 years ago, people still believed that rain was tears from God. Fucking dumbasses! I know. But recent scientific research has disproved this theory. So, what is rain, JJJJ? I'll tell you. Think of the world as a globe, And there's this guy in Australia, down here, and we're the opposite end of the globe, sort of up here, in London. Now, let's say this Australian man turns on his hose to water his plants. Psh, g'day! Psh. Here's where the science comes in. Not all of that water goes onto the ground. Approximately 45% of that water goes up into the air. Why is that? Because of this thing called the curvature of the Earth. What happens is half of that water goes up into the sky, and because the Earth is a curve, it hits about the equator, and then gravity brings it back down to Earth on England. That's how rain works. And that's what I'm going to be doing with my weekly vlog now, answering the most important questions we have in life. Next week I'll be answering, what is a Beyonce and how much? And can cat pubes really cure cancer? Feed the pony, believe.